Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance, doing my normal morning browsing, checking out some of the deals of the day at Home Depot and Lowe's and all those kinds of things. And I thought I'd share this deal with you at Lowe's. So this is a online only deal, and it is a deal of the day. So it's only for today, Thursday, September the 18th. You can see up there in the top left corner. And this is a deal on some flex tools. I know nothing about flex tools. I don't own any. So these might not be good deals. If they're not and you're in flex, make sure and let us know in the comments below. But if I click on shop all, you're going to see that they got a 6.5 circular saw, 99 bucks, a sawzall for 99 bucks, and then also a 5-inch paddle grinder and a 1/2-inch impact wrench for $99. So all those, in my opinion, for 99 bucks. If I saw any of that in Milwaukee, I would buy all 4 of these right now today. But they're not just $99. You can see that buy more, save more. If I click on the circular saw, you're going to see, if I click on the buy more, save more, spend $99, you save 20, spend 200, you save 50, spend 300, you save 100. So if I go in here and add one of these circular saws to my cart, and then we're going to go into the cart, you're going to see that that drops that down to 79 bucks. So essentially you can get all these for $79 a piece. Now, if you bump it up to get to the 200 mark, you have to buy 3 of them because they're $99. So 2 of them is going to be 198 bucks. You're still only going to save $20, so you're getting them for $89 each. And if you bump up to 3, that's going to put you over the 200. That's going to save you 50 bucks, but they're still $82.33 each, as you can see underneath of that $246.99. So the best deal is actually just to buy them one at a time, like do individual orders, I guess, because you're getting them at that $79 a piece. It actually is better to save $20 off of one than it is to save $50 off of 3. So again, $79 for a circular saw, sawzall, 5-inch angle grinder, and then also that 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. I don't know how many they have. Of course, it says there I don't have very many available today for pickup. I don't know how many they have online that you can purchase before they sell out. But again, it's a deal of the day for today only, Thursday, September the 18th. I thought it was a good enough deal to share. If you don't think that it is, again, if you are in flex and you're saying I wouldn't pay $79 for those, make sure and let us know that in the comments below. But as always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.